Adding integers. Adding integers on a number line. You move right on a number line to add a positive integer, and you move left on a number line to add a negative integer. Writing integer addition. Write the addition model on each number line. We have a number line where we have a line starting from 0 to the right, so that means it's positive number, it's 4, and then from there you move one more place to the right. That means you add a positive number because you're moving to the right. So the addition model will be 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Number 2, we have starting from 0, you move to the left 2 places, that means it's negative 2, and then you keep moving to the left, but now 5 places, so that means you add a negative number. So that would be the addition model, negative 2 plus negative 5. The answer is negative 7. That means we finish in negative 7. Number 3, we have starting from 0, you move to the right, that means it's 3 positive, and then from there you move to the left 8 places, that means you add a negative number. So it'll be 3 plus negative 8, the answer will be negative 5. That means you finish in negative 5. Adding integers. Find its sum. Again, using a number line, starting from 0, we have positive 6, and then from there you move to the left. That means you add a negative number. So it'll be 6 plus negative 5. If you also see it as counters, the blue ones are the positives and the red ones are the negatives. So if you make groups, that means you're going to have one positive left. That means you have 6 plus negative 5, and also when you're adding numbers with different sign, you compare, you make couples, and it will be like if you have 6 girls, 5 boys, so you made couples of which one I have more of the girls. That means of the blue ones I have one more, so that means I'm going to have one positive left. Number 2, starting from 0, you move to the left, that means it's negative 7, and then from there you move to the right 4 places, so that will be plus 4. So again, that means we have 7 negatives and 4 positives. Again, making couples, that means I'm going to have 3 negatives left. So because we have negative 7 plus 4, again, if we have negatives boys and positives girls, of which one I have more? Of the boys. So I'm going to have 3 boys left without couples. That means 3 negative. Now evaluating integer expressions. Evaluate x plus 3 for each value of x. Now here in expressions, remember you have to write all the process. First thing you have to do is write the expression. That will be x plus 3, and then we substitute the value of x in the expression. That means 1 plus 3, and the answer will be 4. Now for x equal to negative 9, again we write the expression. We substitute the value of x in the expression. That will be negative 9 plus 3, and then here, since we have different signs, these are negatives and these are positives, we compare. We made couples, and then of which one I have more. Since 9 is greater than 3, you subtract and you keep the sign of the bigger one. So that will be negative 6. Number 3, we have x equal to negative 11. So again, you write the expression. We substitute the value for the variable in the expression. That will be negative 11 plus 3. So again, we have more negatives than positives. That means I'm going to have, you subtract, and that means you have 8 negatives left. Now earth science application. The base of Kilauea is 9 kilometers below sea level. The top is 10 kilometers above the base. How high above sea level is Kilauea? Okay, so Kilauea, it's a volcano. So if we draw a volcano and we draw the sea level, it says that Kilauea is 9 kilometers below sea level. So that means I have 9 kilometers below. That means -1. And then the top is 10 kilometers above the base. This is the base, so 10 kilometers above the base. That means from here to here, that will be 10 kilometers. And the question is, how high above sea level is Kilauea? That means from here to the top, what would be the distance? So using an addition expression, you have to translate to positives and negatives. So the base is 9 kilometers below sea level, that means -9. And the top is 10 kilometers above the base. That means we have -9, and from there we add +10. So I compare because I have different signs. The 10 is greater, that means I'm going to have 1 left. So that means Kilauea is 1 kilometer above sea level. That will be all for this lesson. If you have any questions, send me a message. Don't forget to do process in each problem. Take care. Bye.